are back at Exquisite Marks, our dealer's workshop. Today we have a very special car over here. This is the brand new BMW X3M competition, ready for Akrapovic exhaust system upgrade. This will be the first X3M competition in Malaysia with an aftermarket exhaust system. Sport mode. Now the mechanics are dismantling the original exhaust system out of the car, and then we'll replace with this Akrapovic titanium system. The mid pipe is already in, and then later on we fit in the muffler and also the tips. The Akrapovic carbon fiber tailpipes for this BMW X3M competition. The inner layer is titanium and the outer layer is carbon fiber. After a few hours of work, now we have finished the installation of this X3M competition with Akrapovic exhaust system. The carbon fiber tips and the titanium exhaust system. Finished the installation of the first BMW X3M competition with Akrapovic exhaust in Malaysia. Now we have start up the car and listen to how it sounds. Finished the installation for this BMW X3M competition with Akrapovic exhaust system. Remember to like and share our video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents. That's it for today. We'll see you in our next video.